If you're sailing Utopia of the Seas soon, this video could literally save your cruise. We just came back from our sailing, and while Utopia is an amazing ship, there are also many things that Royal Caribbean does not clearly tell you, and some of them can make or break your entire experience. From free perks people don't really know exist to money-saving tips, kid club secrets, spa hacks, and boarding mistakes that can ruin your first day. Here are some of the things I wish I knew before cruising on Royal Caribbean Utopia of the Seas. Also, I am really close to 3,000 subscribers. Help a sister out by subscribing. Let's start with everything to do before your cruise begins. 30 days before your cruise, you can check in and pick your arrival time. Earlier booking equals shorter lines. Even with us having a suite, our arrival time was later because I checked in late. Drink and food packages, internet, excursions, spa passes, everything is cheaper online before your cruise. Once you're on the ship, prices go up. There were good sales during Black Friday that we took advantage of. This is one of the easiest ways to save hundreds of dollars. All right, we have finally had an adult beverage, and we want to also see if having the drink package is worth it, because we did pay for the drink package. We purchased it during Black Friday, and I just kind of want to see, is it worth it? I feel like the drinks might be a little sweet here, so don't be afraid to ask them for a little extra shot of something. But this is a margarita, but with mezcal.
And then it's topped off with Grand Marnier, making it a Cadillac margarita.
Wait, is Cadillac margarita with mezcal?
No, it's with the Grand Marnier on top.
Oh, okay. Got it. Weather delays happen. There were strong winds on our cruise, which made our arrival 5 hours late. Thankfully, our flight was later in the evening, but we did have an excursion plan that we had to cancel. Late evening flights or next day flights are much safer. Also, with booking, if you book a city excursion, book this the next day, because I did pre-book Kennedy Space Center tickets, and because our ship was delayed by 5 hours, we had to skip this and head straight to the airport. Your SeaPass card is your room key, your charge card, your ID, everything. So if you lose it, it's a huge inconvenience and a long line you don't want to have to stand in for vacation. So bring a lanyard and wear it. Trust me, I lost mine and had to dispute a charge. If your teens don't have internet, walkie-talkies are lifesavers for communicating. Cell service doesn't work well on board, even with the internet package. It's like, whew, so rocky. I don't normally get motion sickness, but I definitely feel a little queasy. But the guy at guest services did state that they do have motion sickness pills for adults and kids for free. Things to not pack include motion sickness meds. Adults and kids can get free motion sickness medicine on board. You just have to ask. For families, Royal Caribbean provides free swim diapers on board. So save yourself luggage space because you do not need to pack a suitcase full of them. Now, let's discuss the things to do day one on your cruise. In order for kids to attend the kids club, they need to be registered. Thankfully, I saw another review that said register your kids on day one. This wasn't written anywhere, and also on the evenings when shows are scheduled, the kids club fills up immediately. So arrive early or you may be turned away like us. We lucked up on this. Windjammer on Embarkation Day rolls out the red carpet for guests. They have a great cupcake display where they hand out delicious cupcakes. We missed it, but a nice guy brought some out from the back for the kids. They also offered great seafood options like lobster tails and ceviche. So don't skip out on dining here, even if you have the dining package. On port days, if you are leaving the ship and going to the beach, strollers are provided for the sand. It's always nice when you can travel with one less item with kids. If you book ice skating, pants and socks are required. I would also pack a sweater because the rink gets pretty cold.
Go, Aspen. Yeah, you're following mommy.
For zip lining and rock climbing, sneakers are required. No sandals or Crocs are allowed. So many people get turned away because they didn't know this. As a suite guest, you have access to preferred seating for the shows. This is needed because all of the shows are packed and seats go quick. But you still need to get to the shows early, even with this suite access or without it. Reserved seating is released to the public close to showtime, so show up early if you want the best seats. This is the biggest hidden gem if you are a spa lover. During my cruise, the thermal spa pass was $47 for the entire cruise, and they do not advertise this. This includes heated loungers, steam rooms, saunas, and relaxation rooms. So on your first day, go to the spa and inquire about this perk. Treatments are a separate charge. Check the app daily to see when the complimentary mini spa treatments and consultations are offered. You can take full advantage of this. I sure did. It's an easy way to enjoy the spa without paying for it. There are many suite perks that people might not take advantage of. For food and beverage, suite class can get free continental breakfast delivered to your room. There's a free happy hour in Coastal Kitchen, and this is great if you don't have a drink package. Also, you can get access expedited lines at check-in, and your concierge will walk you right out at checkout. So we ordered a little bit of room service. I found out that the continental breakfast is included or free, so I just did a little bit of fruit, pastries, and then that'll just kind of hold us over for a little bit until we can actually go get some real breakfast. I also got some coffee for Mr. O because he is out of it. He had a late night, y'all. Stayed out till 4 o'clock in the morning, met some friends. I was like, have at it. Lastly, 3 days isn't enough for a large ship like Utopia of the Seas. You will feel rushed and overwhelmed if you try to eat at every restaurant, do all the ports and ship activities. And if you have to book the 3 or 4 day cruise, I highly recommend skipping a port to fully take advantage of the ship activities and services. Utopia of the Seas is absolutely incredible, but knowing these tips will literally upgrade your entire cruise experience. If you're sailing Utopia soon, save this video, share it with your travel group, and let me know in the comment section below what ship you're cruising on next. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise and travel tips from a real traveler who tells you what the cruise line doesn't. Also, check out my other cruise videos on if the suite is worth the price and tips for the kids club. Thank you for watching.
Shout out to Diva on YouTube.